Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArklateXHomepage.com, as well as the ArklateXHomepage.com app. And looking at, first of all, surface map. You can see a cold front which is going to be sliding its way through the area late tonight through the morning hours tomorrow. It will bring with it a possibility for a line of showers and thunderstorms. That line likely will be heaviest over the northwestern sections of the area. And we're also going to have to keep an eye on a few scattered thunderstorms that try to develop across the region during this Tuesday evening as well. Here's a look at, first of all, a look at Robin's Toyota Futurecast. You can see the model does indicate those scattered showers, thunderstorms developing, but also notice the line coming in from the west by 9 p.m. entering the western edge of the area. That line will slide its way eastward and will probably begin to weaken after midnight tonight as it moves into southwest Arkansas and northwest Louisiana. So again, it does appear as if the biggest severe weather threat with the line probably will be over the northwestern, say, half of the area, probably to the north and west of both Shreveport as well as in Texarkana, although Texarkana might have a little bit better chance of seeing a gusty, damaging wind gust as compared to what could be happening in Shreveport. Now, as we go through tomorrow, any rain wraps up early. We'll quickly see the return of some sunshine as we go through your Wednesday afternoon. We will see a mostly clear sky for Wednesday night and heading into Thursday with high pressure and control, a bit of a wind out of the north to northeast. We will see lots of sunshine for Thursday with temperatures for a change that will be below normal across much of the Arklatex. Now, as far as the severe weather threat, you can see the latest from the Storm Prediction Center basically through tonight, showing you that yellow area. That's where we do have a slight risk. In other words, on that 1 to 5 scale, that puts it at a 2, meaning that any severe weather report that we see should be rather scattered across the region. Main concern will be damaging straight line wind, not much of a hail threat. Tornado risk looks relatively low, and we're also looking at the potential for some heavy rain in spots, so we have a bit of an elevated risk of seeing some flooding concerns, and that will be confined to the northwestern quarter of the area. You can see those areas of yellow and orange. That's where Futurecast is showing anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain could be possible in a few isolated spots with that line. So again, in those areas, that's where we will see the chance for some excessive rain. In other words, enough rain to cause some isolated to scattered flash flooding issues. And it looks like the best case scenario for that happening would be to the northwest of the Arklatex in Oklahoma. You can see the risk does decline as you work your way south and east into the Arklatex. But again, a few scattered reports of flash flooding, something we'll be watching for as well. Now, temperatures tonight, ahead of the front, 72 in Shreveport. You can see 65 behind the front, where the front does move through sooner in Idabel. Looking at daytime highs tomorrow, you can see we range from mid-70s across the northwest to the mid-80s across the southeast. Keep in mind, we will see again a warmer start southeast, and some afternoon sunshine will result in daytime highs climbing back up into the low to middle 80s for much of the area, and then we'll see the 70s return to close out the work week. In fact, here are the details on your 7-day forecast. You can see the mid-70s for Thursday and Friday in Shreveport, lows in the mid-50s. We will see another disturbance approach Sunday, late Sunday, perhaps into Monday. Possibility for some showers, maybe a few thunderstorms, especially northern sections of the area. You can see behind that second disturbance, we could see some of the coolest air since April across the Arklatex, with lows dipping into the 40s and daytime highs mainly in the low to middle 60s in Shreveport. Here are the numbers for Texarkana. You can see that you will see not much of a rain threat for tomorrow. In fact, you will see sunshine for much of the day, looking at a mostly sunny sky for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Next chance of rain in Texarkana will be Sunday. And you can see upper 60s, low 70s for Texarkana Thursday, Friday, mid-70s for the weekend, and then you will drop into the low to mid-60s for highs, and lows will be in the mid-40s early next week for Texarkana. So again, some of the coolest air in almost 6 months expected here in the Arklatex during the next week. And of course, we still have to get through this evening and tonight. Possibility for some scattered strong to possibly severe thunderstorms. The scattered stuff could be on the strong side this evening, and then we'll be watching the line very closely as it makes its way into the region late this evening and tonight.